Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking some of the top new design tools as well as design news of the month June 2023. So without further ado, let's just get started. Cosmos has been trending on Twitter, etc., which is an invite-only platform for designers, and they want to be a Pinterest alternative for creatives. So you can basically bring all your creative work, journaling, social media, everything into one platform, save everything in one place, be it Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, whatever. The cool way to do it is basically right click and you can just save to Cosmos, and that is how simple they want to make it. You'll also have a public feed where people can start following you, and you could be tagged as someone who is popular on this platform as well. And they have a lot of other cool things, including AI powered tagging system, where basically they tag your images based on what the AI perceives the image as. So here it perceives it as 70s fashion, movement, dress, and also extracts a color palette. So a lot of you UI design folks will really appreciate this. Of course, it's available for both web and iOS. You can join the waitlist, and based on that, you'll get invited to it and you can start using it. I haven't gotten my invite, but I'm really eager to try this one out and maybe even make it my daily driver for saving content on the internet. Now, Gamma is the AI presentation software of my dreams because it essentially takes in a prompt based on what you want to create as a presentation and builds very complex as well as easy to read presentations. So these are not just images and text placed on the screen. These are actual tables, timelines, different columns created so that you can actually add your content there. And apart from that, it has a lot of templates already designed for you. So based on these templates, you can switch between your different design styles, etc. And yes, you have full customization. You can design ebooks, you can design presentations, whatever format you like, it will present it in that format. Cool thing is you can present it on phones, laptops, tablets, everywhere, as well as it has a built-in analytics tool. So the way people are reacting to your presentations will come live in this built-in analytics tool. Again, a very solid free AI-based tool which helps you create solid presentations for your design work or for anything else. The next news is insane, and this is something I predicted a couple of months ago. Figma has bought Diagram. Diagram is a company that was focused on AI and automation for design tools like Figma. Entire Diagram team will now be coming on board and helping Figma develop AI tools inbuilt into their tool. And a demonstration of amazing features coming to Figma was actually done at the Figma config. Everything from automatically designing wireframes to inserting custom images based on AI, as well as even documenting your ideas into useful notes. Developer-friendly AI features are also in the works and will be coming soon. Now, if you want to see the future of AI in Figma, there is an entire video they have posted on their platform. This next tool will fix your designs and tell you where you are going wrong with your designs using AI. They've made this video possible, so shout out to them for that. Attention Insight is able to generate eye tracking information and really cool analytics about your designs using AI. So there is no human involved. You can import your design straight from Adobe XD, Photoshop, Figma, Sketch, whichever tool you use. And once you do, it creates this cool little dashboard for you for that design. And here, as you can see, you can generate different analytics and different data for your designs. So attention heat map, where your users will be looking. Similarly, they have something called percentage insight as well. So based on this AI model itself, they will be able to point out what is grabbing more attention on your designs. How much percentage does one area or one element on screen take away from the other designs? There's also a cool feature called the focus map, which tells you exactly where the user's focus is headed towards with this nice little light effect that you can see. Something super innovative and useful is called Clarity Insights. Again, using AI, it gives you a clarity score which could range anywhere from 0 to 100 and tells you how well everything is optimized on your page. And this is done after researching and analyzing many other designs and pages from its database as well. This tool also, with the power of AI, gives you recommendations to fix and improve your designs. So based on certain attention insights and heat map, it can tell you where you are going wrong or where you can improve your designs in. What's cool is you can even compare your previous and your current designs. So if you had a design you just created and you want to compare a new design with it, you can create comparisons. This gives you a nice little representation of your improvements, and it also shows you where you can keep on improving your designs. And at the end of everything, you want to showcase all this to your teams, to other designers, etc. That is also available. There's something called report. And this report is such a beautifully designed report. It produces a custom report for you, and it showcases everything that is right with your designs, how your designs can be improved, and also gives you data based on these heat maps, percentages, and focus. Now, this tool is completely free for 7 days. They give you credits to use it. However, if you want to upgrade to their premium plan for 6 months, you can actually get this tool for 20% off using the code Punit. That's it. You have to just put in the code during checkout and you get a flat 20% off on all plans. I mean, it's a great deal if you ask me. So go ahead, check this out, get the free trial, try it for 7 days, work it out. Thank you Attention Insight for reaching out and helping me out with this video. Now, Webflow is trying to become a design tool like Framer. Yep. They have introduced some exciting new features, including comments on your canvas, just like you see in Figma or Framer. Quick stacks, which are essentially pre-built layouts made for your design, along with some quality of life updates. Just a quick shout out to what Webflow has been working on. Now, I'm sure you've seen this massive trend going on of these incredibly cool QR codes being created using AI models. So AI is basically converting links to these insane QR codes, and try scanning this image. It will scan the image as if it was a real QR code. Here, I've scanned the image with my phone and immediately it's opened a link right here. Now, if you want to do this exact same thing, create your own custom QR codes like this, there's a platform called Hugging Face. And this does the exact same thing that this platform promises to do, where you just enter your website name and you can even add prompts. So if you want a certain style, 3D style, flat design, birds, whatever you like, you can add it right here. And you can adjust the customization and stuff like that here and then run it. It does take a few minutes to generate it, but it does the job. Of course, you can visit the official website of these people who are pioneering this. The Discord is coming soon. You can join the Discord and wait for the announcement of this tool coming out. But again, this is a really cool trend. I'm a huge thumbs up to this trend because this is really innovative, really cool, and both individuals and businesses can use this very, very well. Now, one of this month's biggest news or tool updates was Figma's biggest update, where they introduced advanced animations and variables. Now, my old design friend Nitish and many other people are creating games with this. Yes, exactly. So you can build this nice little Chrome dinosaur game using animations and variables, and it works like a real game. So it has actual numbers, it has actual game-like features that you can now include in your designs. This just shows you how far you can go now with Figma and how far things can be and how much Figma can be stretched when it comes to it being a prototyping tool. Now this next tool is called Paste App, and the new version is out, which kind of changes everything. And of course, this is how I've discovered this. Now, this tool essentially allows you to bookmark and save pages that you've copied. If you've copied a link on your computer, it will save it. And the way it saves is super innovative, as you can see. There's a nice little window that opens at the bottom, which saves different articles, design work, whatever you like, into different categories that you have saved on your own. And it's not only for links, it could be for messages, it could be for images, it could be for music, and it accesses the already existing clipboard functions on your Mac. So here's another reason for buying a Mac. And of course, you can set up your own custom shortcuts, etc. on your keyboard, so you can use it the way you like. I always give out shout outs to some unique plugins. This month's plugin is Wireframe Designer, and this is an AI powered wireframe generator. So you can build wireframes out of just text prompts. So they give you 10 designs for free, of course, to begin with. And you can choose whether you want desktop design, mobile design, and you can give context to these people. So our product or our project is about a food delivery app that focuses on quick and healthy meals. We give a background to them about our product, and now we can design something. So splash screen to explain how to log into the app. Cool. If I click on design, it will do a nice little animation here. In the background, it is actually designing for me. As you can see, it is now sharing a wireframe on sign in, sign up page that I can introduce. You can do the same thing for any other page. For example, a home screen to show different restaurants and meals. I click on design once again, and in real time, it just starts putting cool things on page right here, which are relevant to what I have asked it for. And you can see even the text here is properly done. Popular restaurant, quick and healthy meals, recommended meals, user reviews. It keeps on creating a long page. It's not just a small section. It can create multiple sections for you. And this is gonna make our lives so much easier and so much better for us. And up to 8 designs for free, that's pretty cool. Apart from that, you can always upgrade to Pro, which I believe is about $5 a month, which is super cheap if you're gonna be using it for a lifetime or for many designs. A cup of coffee is what the developer is defining this. I think that's really cool. Now, Bezel is a AR and VR design tool which allows you to create stuff like what you see in Spatial design with the Apple Vision Pro. They have introduced an integration with Figma, which allows you to bring your Figma designs and frames into their tool to create spatial UI design. I think this could be the next big thing when it comes to design trends, and a lot of people are trying this out, and this is the answer to how you can do it with a live interactive experience. So it's not just a mock-up anymore, it's an actual AR VR experience that you can create for free. I think this is a really cool advancement. I think everyone should check this out. Go check it out. I'll have the links in the description. Alright, so about a year or so ago, I did a Figma to a real app conversion using Bravo, which is a no-code tool that converts your Figma designs into apps. However, this time they have outdone themselves. They are now using AI to do 2 very cool things. One, you can automatically convert your designs into an app framework. You just pick up your Figma designs and it converts it into a complete app with relevant tags that Bravo can read in the form of code. And once you import it into Bravo, everything will be ready for you. You only have to add links and add a little bit of functionality, but everything else will be prepared for you. You also have something called Ask AI inside Figma. So now you can ask how you can convert your Figma designs into an app using Bravo, and it'll teach you everything in detail. So ask it any relevant question while you are converting it, and it will help you build it in a jiffy for an app. And I think converting Figma designs to an app has never been easier. And of course, you can now import without leaving Figma. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you like the video, make sure you click that like button. I have to make more of these. And for a Bezel tutorial, comment down below. I'll see you next week. Same time, same place. Until next time, take care. God bless.